Okay, so I just received my brand new Shoei RF-1200 helmet from Cycle Gear. Went into the shop in Memphis, which is close to me, and they did not have my size, but they were cool about letting me try on the helmet and seeing what fits. And I decided on this particular helmet, and they had it shipped to me within 2 days, so that was pretty cool. I just thought I'd do a little unboxing here for you guys, and then hopefully I will be able to compare it to my old helmet, which was my first helmet. It's a Scorpion EXO 710, I believe. Just decided to upgrade because that helmet was uncomfortable as hell for me. So I will just kind of show you. It just came here. This is what the box looks like. And we'll go ahead and just unbox this, and you guys can kind of see how it comes. And this is how it comes. Open it up. It comes with the pin lock, which I thought was a very cool feature that's included. Definitely be happy to have that. If you guys don't know what it is, I'm sure you could just YouTube it or Google it, but what it does is essentially keeps your visor from fogging up, which is pretty sweet. Up here, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it looks like some extra padding here. Stuff's really on there. So comes with this little bag here. Let's see what's inside. The little breather piece here goes in the front of your helmet. It's supposed to control breath so it doesn't fog up your helmet, which shouldn't matter anyway because you have the pin lock. Little chin curtain so you don't get the wind. This looks like silicone oil. Don't know what that's for. Guess we're gonna find out. How to install the pin lock in Japanese and presumably in English. Little contact information. Some Shoei stickers, which is pretty cool. Stick those on my toolbox. Guide on how to fit your helmet properly. Explains kind of all the features of the helmet. And we have the helmet. The bag actually feels pretty good. Looks pretty sturdy, which is nice. Move this out. Way. So this is the bag that it comes in. Well, it is RF-1200 in white. I got it in white because one, it is cheaper to get it in a flat color. It's $100 extra to get it in any sort of paint scheme. Also, there are videos on YouTube, and it's just common sense too, that if you live in a hot climate, having a white helmet definitely keeps you cooler. I'll try and link to those videos if I can find it again, but I can tell you I live in the South, I live in Tennessee, and my current helmet is white. It feels pretty good. This helmet has tons of venting, which I liked. You got the vents here. You got the vent one button, which is nice. You have, looks like, chin vent here. You have the exhaust vents, which you can open and close, which is pretty cool. And I also got it in white because it is visible. I think it's more visible than most colors, obviously, and I just, for some reason, I cannot bring myself to wear the high vis stuff just yet. But I'm happy with the white color of the helmet. I feel that I'm visible with it at night, even during the daytime. Also wanted to add in another reason why I bought this helmet. Safety is very, very important to me. Safety, comfort would be second, and then style would probably be last for me. This helmet is DOT, ECE, and Snell approved. So this is a very, very safe helmet. My Scorpion helmet was just as safe. It had all those same certifications, but it was just really, really uncomfortable. I didn't like wearing it. I think for 400, almost 500 bucks, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck here. Let's show you some of the other features here. The helmet has nice detents for the visor. It snaps shut really well. So I'll try to show you all the different positions. 1, 2. It looks like that's pretty sturdy. That's not going to come down on you when you're riding. Show you the inside here. When I tried this on in the store, this helmet was super, super comfortable right away. You have D-rings for the strap, which I appreciate. That newfangled, a lot of these helmets are coming out with like ratchet straps and stuff, and from what I've seen, they're not very comfortable, so I'll just stick with the old-fashioned stuff. This is very soft, kind of terry cloth feeling material. It all feels really good. The padding on the inside is super soft, really, really comfortable. I think it's a good looking helmet. And from everything I've seen, it's fairly aerodynamic, which I'm hoping will help with some of the wind buffeting when I'm riding. I ride a Harley Sportster, so there's no fairings, nothing like that, and the wind really beats you up once you start going over a certain speed. And the helmet that I have now, the Scorpion EXO 710, it's just it's really, really uncomfortable for me. I get hot spots on my head. It buffets me around. I just don't feel that it cuts through the air well. So, well, I'm hoping that this will make a difference, and hopefully I will be able to give you guys a review once I have ridden on it, hopefully tomorrow, and I will compare it to my previous helmet. But so far, I think it looks great, and it was very, very comfortable. I paid $470 something-ish for this. Shipping was free. With the tax, it was like 500 bucks. I think it was a pretty solid purchase. And yeah, if you guys are interested, I will give you a review after I've ridden in it for a little while. Bye. Okay, so I have seen numerous videos where people are offering conjecture as to what to do with the silicone oil that comes with these helmets. And I'm going to show you. It does not go here. It does not go on your visor. It goes, as per the instructions, which I'm sure nobody reads, on page 6. It goes right around this rim right here to help it seal. So that's what you're supposed to do with it. So I'm just going to put a small bead on there and let it dry up a little bit. I took the visor off because I don't want to get any on the visor, and I'm going to install the pin lock. But for anyone that was wondering what that silicone oil is for, that is in fact what it's for. So this little packet with the writing in Japanese and English and other languages actually comes with 2 little extra pins for your pin lock in case you need it. So worth looking at that. It's I didn't notice these pins until I opened it up. So just a heads up to anyone who is maybe just might discard all the paperwork and the instructions and stuff. This stuff is in here, so pretty useful if you need it.